In today's video, we're going to talk about how Ayush, a student of BTech, won WWDC 21. So how you all can basically learn iOS app development, and he's going to share some inside tips about the WWDC 21 event, and we're going to finally reveal what Apple sent to him, so what kind of stuff he all got. So, hello Ayush, can you please introduce yourself, your educational background, and from when you started coding?
Hello, Bhaiya. First of all, thanks for the podcast. Hi, guys. I'm Ayush Singh, a first year student of Manipal University, Jaipur. I did my schooling from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. I'm also an iOS app and web developer and WWDC 21 scholar.
Okay, so I hope you got some things about his background and how he started coding and when he started coding. So, second, my main question to you is that how you started coding and development, and have you made any projects? Can you list some things?
I started my coding journey when I was in class 8. After that, I started learning different languages from internet sources and on my own. I worked on self project for gaining my development skills. I also developed lots of app like AI Object Scanner, AIR Studio, and Virus Shooter game, which was selected for this Apple WWDC event. You can also download the same project from my GitHub repository and get to know how I made. And make sure to give a star to the project. I will provide you the link in the description.
Okay, so I hope you got some glimpse of what projects and what type of projects he have made in his development journey. And my main question to you is that have you done any internships and how you got your first internship, because many students in this COVID times are really struggling to get any internship. So what's your opinion or what's your guidance on that? So in the meanwhile, I just want to tell you all about that Unacademy ने अपनी वेबसाइट पे एक और नया कोर्स लॉन्च करा है जिसका नाम है क्रैक द कैंपस प्लेसमेंट. तो यार कोई भी स्टूडेंट जो कि यार प्रिपेयर कर रहा है सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी के लिए, चाहे वो TCS हो, विप्रो हो, इन्फोसिस हो, एक्सेंचर हो या फिर कोई और सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी हो, तो यार उन्होंने इनके लिए एक स्पेशली कोर्स लॉन्च किया हुआ है अनअकैडमी क्रैक द कैंपस प्लेसमेंट के लिए. तो यार ये 3 to 6 मंथ्स का एक प्लेसमेंट कोर्स है जिसमें आपको कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन बताई जाती है कि यार आप इन सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी को कैसे क्रैक कर सकते हो. तो यार इसके बारे में बताने से पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि अनअकैडमी माइस्ट्रो है इस कोर्स का नाम, और यहाँ पर अगर आपको 100% स्कॉलरशिप चाहिए तो यार आपको 11 जुलाई को एक स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट देना होगा, और जो भी इन स्कॉलरशिप में जीतेंगे तो यार रैंक 1 to 10 को मिलेगा यहाँ पर एप्पल का आईपैड और साथ में 100% स्कॉलरशिप. रैंक 11 to 100 को मिलेगी यार 50% स्कॉलरशिप और अमेजॉन वाउचर्स. रैंक 101 to 1000 को मिलेगा यार यहाँ पर 25% स्कॉलरशिप, और आगे भी आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो 15% स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी 10,000 बच्चों को. जो टॉप सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनीज हैं उनको क्रैक करने के लिए कोई स्पेशलाइज कोर्स आपको जनरली नहीं मिलता, तो अनअकैडमी ने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है. यहाँ पर आपको स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेज मिलेंगे, अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मिलेगा. तो और यहाँ पर जो यार टीचर्स की टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं, क्योंकि यार टॉप लेवल टीचर्स आपको पढ़ाने वाला है, उन्होंने ही कोर्स डिज़ाइन किया है. तो यहाँ पर आप टीचर्स के बारे में देख सकते हो. ये वेबसाइट का लिंक और जो स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट का लिंक है वो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा. तो व्यू प्राइसिंग पे जाने के बाद आपको सिंपल एक कोड यूज़ करना है, द गीक मॉन्क, और इसके बाद यार यहाँ पर आपको पूरा 10% का डिस्काउंट. तो डू हैव अ लुक ऑन दिस वेबसाइट एंड ऑल द रेलिवेंट लिंक्स आर गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स.
I started my first internship in Internshala when I was 17-year old at a wage of rupees 10,000 rupees. To get that internship, I created my resume and updated all my projects and skills. Then applied for iOS development internship. That was my skill, so I applied for iOS development internship. I got rejected 5 to 6 times, but at the 7th time I got shortlisted for an internship. Like, to get selected, I have to perform a short task by the company. However, I completed the task and got my first iOS development internship.
तो यार इन्होंने भी सेम वही प्रोसीजर बताया जो मैंने आपको पहले बता चुका हूँ कि इंटर्नशाला पे जब आप अप्लाई करते हो तो यार आपको ये नहीं होता कि सीधा आपने अप्लाई करा और सीधा आपको डायरेक्ट इंटर्नशिप मिल जाएगी. आपको उससे पहले कुछ ना कुछ टास्क ज़रूर परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा, और बिल्कुल ही नूब कोडर्स या फिर जो भी बिगिनर्स हैं यार उनके लिए नहीं होती इंटर्नशिप जनरली, और जो कि अच्छा पे करती है. So my next question to you, Ayush, the main question of this podcast is that tell us something about Apple WWDC 21. What's its full form, and what is it, and from where you come to know about that event? Because many events are generally not known by the students who are studying in college, and they really want to participate in such events. So can you please just detail about that?
Apple WWDC is a worldwide developer conference held every year in June for the benefits of developer. Every year, they call 300 developers to California and they come with recent software updates to some of its products, including MacBooks, iPhone, and iMacs. Apple also offers a scholarship to students where they sponsor your plane tickets, event ticket price, and 1 week stay. I got to know about that Apple WWDC in my school when my teacher told me to apply for this. To know about this such type of events, you should be active on LinkedIn. LinkedIn give you lots of opportunity for this programs.
सो यार, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि लिंक्डइन पे आपको ज़रूर एक्टिव रहना है, एंड आई होप यू हैव गॉट अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ व्हाट इज़ एप्पल WWDC 21, क्योंकि सारे खुश होते हैं यार कि सॉफ्टवेयर नया आ रहा है, लेकिन उस बीच में यार बहुत ज़्यादा आपके इवेंट्स भी ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें यार आप काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जीत सकते हो. सो हैव यू गॉट अ टिकट टू कैलिफोर्निया राइट नाउ in COVID times, or what's the status of that?
Right now I won't got any tickets. COVID pandemic के कारण बंद कर दिया गया था सारे planes के, मतलब no visit to California. Sad.
Okay, no problem. You can participate next year and definitely win. So my next question to you, Ayush, is that what are the procedures and steps to participate in it? Because the complete process everyone wants to know, because by seeing this video many students will apply next year. So what is the procedure to participate in it, and have you written any proposal in that?
Like you have to be active every year when the WWDC event is going to open. To apply for the scholarship, you have to build a simple project that Apple review team can use and experience in under 3 minutes. There are requirements for WWDC app. Like your app should be limit of 20 MB, less than 20 MB. Also, you should be enrolled in STEM organization. Like if you are enrolled in college or you are in school, you can apply for this scholarship. You have to use technologies like Xcode, Swift, MacBook, etc. But I personally suggest you to trying to go for Swift Playground on iPad. Make it a small app. Something can be used, understood within 3 minutes.
So I hope you all have got the complete idea of the complete participation procedure of this event. And now the revealing question of this podcast is that what Apple sent you on winning this event? What exactly have you won in this event?
Every year they send us a ticket for California. But this year they send cool Apple swags including hoodie, beanie and magnetic pins.
तो यार ये जो इन्होंने सारी गुडीज़ बताई हैं वो आपकी स्क्रीन पर आ रही होगी, आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, और इनका जो लिंक्डइन पोस्ट है उसका भी मैं जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगा. सो माय नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज़ अबाउट द iOS डेवलपमेंट, दैट हाउ यू स्टार्टेड एंड गॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन iOS डेवलपमेंट, एंड इज देयर एनी रोड मैप फॉर द बिगिनर्स, बिकॉज मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हियर आर स्टडिंग इन कॉलेज and they really want to learn iOS app development. So what's your go on that? Can you share some free resources or resources that you refer to learn iOS development?
I learned iOS development from internet source and on my own. Like I won't followed any roadmap. Whenever I face difficulties, I like to take help with Stack Overflow and GitHub. Code with Chris and Hacking with Swift are few resources I preferred. You can also go use the same courses. They have some free and cool resources on their YouTube channel. I will provide you the link in the description. Although the best way to learn iOS app development is to start your own app project. You can try out new things in your app and gradually build a complete app.
Okay. So I hope you have got a glimpse of how he started with all this iOS development and how you all can start with iOS development. The last question of this amazing podcast is that can you please share some free resources or the resources that students can generally refer to learn iOS development?
There are not particular resources. You can go with Udemy for the paid resources, and the free resources you can be it can be available on YouTube. YouTube, like I said, Code with Chris channel and Hacking with Swift. Hacking with Swift have their own website where there is a video of 100 days of Swift, and Code with Chris have lots of video in it. He always create a video for the so they are not particular courses, but at the beginning you must know the basics of programming. I must prefer go for freecodecamp.org. That will help you for the coding basics and fundamentals.
So I hope in this small podcast, you definitely have learned a lot about WWDC as well as how you can start with iOS app development. So if you like this content, do share it and do hit the like button. And if you want to get connected with Ayush or with me, the LinkedIn ID is given in the description box. You all can connect with us on LinkedIn. So यार आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you so much.